What is this?
It's starting.
What is this?
Where are we going?
What is this? It's currently 6:51 a.m. June 21st, 2026. We are going to Tadoussac to go see some whales and have a good time and go camping for 8 or 7.
Yep.
We've been driving for 4.5 hours, about. I think we're still about two and a half,
2 hours.
3 hours out. We've reached the ocean. We've reached the promised land. Look at this. Look around.
Look around.
It's so freaking beautiful. Ooh, look at all these little doodads in here. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good.
Oh my god. It was like way more squished than I thought it was gonna be.
Good.
Oh, a lot of these happy little guys in here.
Yeah, look at all these little dudes. I don't know if they show up on camera.
There's a lot of them.
There's a lot of them. But like, look at this. Point to it again. Yeah, nah, that's good shit. Stop.
Good job.
Look at all the birds.
A lot of birds.
Look at all those chickens.
Wow.
Stop. Cut it. It's about 3:30, 3:40 in the afternoon now. Finally got our tent set up.
Yeah.
Took about 7 hours to drive here. Ignore the big boat. It's kind of nasty. There's we got some little jellies down here. Show the sights.
Let's do a tour.
Show
It's windy.
Yeah, the audio might be shit because of the wind, but
We
that's
got
okay. There's some other vacant campsites
neighbor.
because we're the only cool people here.
Yup. Peep the tent on the
Peep
platform.
the tent.
Look at the ingenuity.
Platform tent.
Let's show.
Boom.
Double
To the
carabiner.
I don't know if it looks kind of
It'll be okay.
like it's
fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Loose on this side, but it's okay. Double carabiner again. But peep this. Go around. Avoid the tripping hazard. It's okay. Connected to BAM.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Ain't that just the way?
Ain't that just the way? But so far we've seen a blue whale, we've seen a humpback whale, and we've seen a minke. And it's only been like
45 minutes.
Yeah, it's been like 45 minutes. We saw one as soon as we pulled in.
What are we up to?
We just scaled these rocks on the side. That's our tent up there. And we were in the middle of going to go explore this tide pool, and we realized we were killing millions of little tiny snails. They're like kind of everywhere, so we decided to go to the drier rocks. Yeah, that was kind of unfortunate. What else did we do? I mean, that's kind of it.
That's kind of it. But it's beautiful.
Keep singing it.
All the words. From a rose. Show our neighbors.
Where is it? Oh my god. Grilling up some dogs. Grilling up some Franks. I think I have crumbs all over my mouth. Some Frankfurters.
I forgot to bring like marshmallow or hot dog sticks.
Yeah, so I'm just using this.
Because there are no little branches around.
No, like we're kind of just...
We're on a rock.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We're good. We're good.
Hot dog.
We're good.
Ooh. Really spinning that thing.
Yeah, gotta get an even char. I was about to say SAR.
You got it.
SARS.
Sorry.
Isn't that a disease? SARS. All the SARS are hurting. What is SARS?
I have
What's
no clue.
SARS? That's a disease though, right?
I'll look it up.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm tasting this video for scale. You could see just how far away he is. Aww, he's so little. He's so tiny. Oh, there he goes. I'll go join him. Let's see what he does now. He says, come down, come down, come. I'll go.
We have the whole beach to ourselves. Someone did leave a soccer ball.
Do you think they kicked it and it tragically fell off the dude?
Ooh. Doesn't really show off on camera how tall and steep this
Well, I
is.
took a video of you for scale.
Oh, good.
You look teeny tiny.
Good. Well, we have this. It's like
La push, baby.
It's like 6 in the morning.
It's La push.
You have to go get it. We're littering.
I'm not going in there.
We're littering.
You take off your shoes and you go in
I
there.
have socks on.
You kicked the ball.
No, I didn't. It's 6:45 in the morning. We're here in town. It's like a little ghost town right now. Get a nice little sweeping panoramic. Yeah. Yes.
Whoa.
Yes.
Whoa. Turn
We
around.
tried to go to the Marine Center just over here, but it's still closed. It opens at 9, so
But we'll be back.
we'll be back. We're going to get breakfast at a little cafe,
Yay.
so that should be nice.
I'm excited. I'm hungry.
This town is like such a dream. Like, it's actually, like, jokes aside, like, this place is unbelievable.
Wow.
There's a car.
Let's go.
Let's go. Stop. So I ordered this because it comes with a mini meat pie. That's the little mini meat pie. What the fuck? So I ordered this. Why does it do that?
That's just you. That's how you speak.
What the fuck? So I ordered this.
I am at the museum looking at bones.
Go stand in it. Oh, you want me to do that?
Hey guys, hey, what's up, you guys? We made Italian sausage pasta. Delicious, and we're eating it. We brought bowls, but we're eating it out of Tupperwares because we don't want to have to do more dishes. Delicious.
We got rained on pretty hard last night. Water leaking through the tent. So we decided to go to this wilderness shop and get this tarp and,
Flip it.
and just string it up with a bunch of bungees.
Look at all this hard work. Look at that.
Boom,
Boom.
boom,
Bam. Show us the under.
boom.
Look at this little haven.
She's safe. She's safe, she's dry. We got coffee. We got another tarp just in case, but it's too big, so.
Wow.
Wow.
What a day.
What a day.
I feel inspired, empowered, but I also feel like we can survive in the wilderness.
This is the inside of our tent. It's a very tiny little tent. It's kind of a mess as well.
It's okay. We got a little box of cereal, rain jacket, bags. Don't look at that.
Look at this charger. Just plop your phone right on there. Charges it. Ain't that just something?
That's incredible. Demonstration.
Why do we need a demonstration?
Because
Oh, there's
that's
you.
my face. There we go. Look at that. Very cool. Wow.
So this morning we got woken up by a loud ass boat because it's foggy outside.
Oh,
What did you say it sounded like?
like SpongeBob's freaking alarm clock, dude.
We're at the start of this little beautiful hike right now. A waterfall going into the ocean. And that's about it right now.
Yay!
That's about it.
It stinks.
Kind of smells like poo-poo a little bit,
There's a little poo-poo smell in the air, but it's okay.
but it's so beautiful. So who cares? Here on this big,
You got it.
we're here in this beach that has this big giant clay deposit. It goes like all along the wall. It's really, really cool. Look at this clay. Look at how perfect this stuff is. Like, this is Flo's little creation. This is her little man.
My little man.
And he will stay here until the end of time.
Until the end of time.
Until the sands of time wash him downstream and into the ocean, where he will stay for.
In the state of Washington, under near constant cover of clouds and rain.
What day is it?
It is Thursday. I don't know what the date specifically is, but it's Thursday. We woke up to a beautiful sunny day,
Yeah.
and now we're here looking at these rapids.
It was our first sunny day in a while, in the past like 2-3 days.
Yeah.
Today is like day 5. It's our last day in the area. I'm really sad, but tomorrow the real fun begins.
Look, they get 440 salmon a year.
That's kind of an underwhelming number.
Well, it's more than I thought.
It's June 26th. We're leaving our campsite. It's the last day. Very sad. but we have another campsite to go to.
Whoa.
2 days or 2 nights in the mountains in the middle of nowhere. We're not gonna have any reception, no contacts with the outside world. Did you guys notice my beard? I haven't shaved for 5 days and I have this luscious full beard.
What a man.
I'm 23 years old, by the way, so yeah. We made it to our site.
We made it.
We're like 20 kilometers deep in a mountain. We're kind of like in the middle of nowhere. Like we drove on this dirt road
For half an hour.
for half an hour to get here. Holy shit.
No fire. We're hiking 7 kilometers to the top of the mountain
To the top of the big mountain.
to get a full 360 view of where we're at. Do you hear the running water? Tired.
We just hiked 4 kilometers up the side of a fucking mountain.
Climbing the whole way up. Check this out. Highest peak of the region, 984 meters.
You're above the clouds right now. Like, it was more like 3.5. But 3.5 kilometers doesn't sound like a lot. But when you're doing it straight uphill the entire time, it's pretty brutal. Look at this. Look at this. I should scream.
Yeah, go do it.
Oh, look at how big that hail is. What the fuck? This is pretty scary.
Hey, put it on white mode.
I'm just scared of it getting through the tarp.
I know.
Oh my god.
It's totally getting in our shoes.
Yeah, it is.
What do we do?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's gonna get through the tarp.
I'm like, oh,
No, stop.
it looks wet.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine.
It's pouring. When it rains, it pours.
Oh, it's starting.
Yeah, but last time I did that, it just started up back up stronger.
That's true. What an eventful last night that was. Now we got a 5-hour drive home, which isn't as bad as the first drive, but it's still
5 hours.
a lot. And after that, we're home free.
Yay!
That's it. 8 days, 7 nights. That's it. We're
And
done.
we stink, and we're very dirty.
Yeah, we smell like garbage. I have a beard.
The car smells like humidity
The
because
car
everything is
smell like-
damp.
Yeah, we pulled up to a gas station to fill up our gas, and the dude at the station was like, "Hey, ça sent le camping, la char." And I was like, "Yeah, Yeah, so basically we smell like shit is what you're saying, but
So we smell really bad.
yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, signing out.